Lina was a shy little girl who lived in a quiet village. She loved nature, especially flowers, but she always felt that she wasn't good enough at anything. One day, her teacher gave all the children a seed. "Plant this at home," the teacher said, "and bring your flower to the school garden after 2 weeks." All the children were excited. Hi friends, did you enjoy today's story? Seedling green heart, tan tan, bell hop bell. Then don't forget to thumbs up, give us a big like. Loudspeaker, hit that subscribe button, bell, and tap the bell so you never miss a story. Outbox stray, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Lina felt nervous. What if it doesn't grow, she thought. Still, she planted the seed and cared for it every day. Seedling. Days passed. No sprout. Her friends' plants were already blooming, but Lina's pot was still empty. She felt like giving up, but her mother said gently, "Some things take time, sweetie. Just believe in your care." So Lina kept watering, kept waiting, kept hoping. On the 14th day, just as she was about to lose hope, a tiny green sprout peeked through the soil. Lina's face lit up with joy. When she brought her little plant to school, it was the smallest, but everyone clapped. Her teacher smiled and said, "You didn't give up, Lina. That's what makes you grow inside." That day, Lina didn't just believe in her plant. She believed in herself. Moral: just like a seed takes time to grow into a flower, your dreams and efforts take time too. Don't give up. Believe in yourself, and you will bloom in your own way. Bye-bye. Waving hand rainbow.